Okay, this morning you could see right through my van. The reason for this, because my van is being shipped today. Good morning, everybody. I'm up early this morning, didn't shave, didn't shower, didn't do anything this morning yet because I was just woken up. The reason why, my van is getting shipped. I was given 20 minutes lead time on this. I don't know why. I don't even have plane tickets booked. I might have to book a hotel. I don't know what's going on, but right now I am shipping my van. So that's why my window covers are off. Next up is to take off the solar panels, most likely. I gotta tell you, my stress level is like really up there. It's like number 10 right now because I'm gonna be homeless again when they pick up the van, and then I'll be carrying my laptop and my clothes and then paying so much to go to Flagstaff and then to go to Phoenix and stuff like that for the flight, and then paying for the flight. I've just been waiting for like 2 hours now for the shipping company to come here. Still kind of nervous about the shipping because I might have to take off the roof rack and put it in my van and stuff like that. I'm sure it'll be okay, but since I don't have a ladder, it might suck a little bit, but we'll figure it out. And then also, it's just, I've been waiting here for so long. My stomach is kind of a little butterflies because, again, all this stuff I have to do, like a lift over to Flagstaff to a Walmart. I'll probably buy a new bag to take on the plane. Then I have to worry about the shuttle from Flagstaff to Phoenix. That's going to be about 2.5 hours. And then when I'm in Phoenix, getting the hotel and then staying there for the night, and then catching the free shuttle to the airport and flying out of Phoenix to New Orleans. That's the worst part about it. The flight, 3 hours and change. I'm sure I'll get through it with all the movies that I have on my laptop and my USB stick. Problems getting off the plane, none really. Just find that express bus, which will probably run me $1.50. I get to mid-city there to downtown, and then I could take the streetcar to mid-city. So that's about it right now. But the grand total for the shipment was this. Then the shuttle is going to cost this. Do that again. And then the lift cost this. So expensive getting out of here. But when I get back to New Orleans, it'll be cheaper. Hopefully you guys join my Patreon, and also you actually go ahead and buy some stuff off of the Amazon list here if you need some of that stuff. Or just click through and click on something else that you need. Maybe I'll get a little commission off of that. I just need to start saving up for this new transmission so I could get back there and see all you out there. I just realized that UShip could do better if they were like Uber or Lyft. Show me a picture of the driver and the truck. That would have been better. You could see why I like to have all these windows uncovered. If I was out in the fields or in BLM property or something like that, it'd be so cool waking up and seeing all the nature around and stuff like that. Right now I took them down, all the window covers, because I wanted it easier for the driver to take it up on the ramps or something like that, because it's easier than a cargo van. Here's where my van is, and there's the transporter and the transporter's van. We're gonna take this van to New Orleans. We're looking inside the van before it starts taking off. Yep. Yes. It's on its way. It's being tied down right now. Now, since I'm waiting for my lift ride, I'm in front of McDonald's here at the pilot station. I'm going to take a ride into Flagstaff to the Amtrak station and try to take Flix bus instead of the shuttle. It appears that my driver is farther than I thought she was. She's 15 minutes away, but I saw on the map right here, oh my God. And there's my lift. So Holly got me to the Amtrak station here in Flagstaff, and I'm looking across the street and I'm excited. There's a pub there. I think it's time to get a drink. And I think I got like 2 hours until my bus gets here. It was only about this price to go to Phoenix from Flagstaff on Flixbus. Walking up to the tavern, see people there. Let's go see how this thing works. So happy to be in a bar drinking a beverage. It's been a long time. Dancing again. So apparently the check came in and it has this thing called Toast Tab on it. QR code, I actually used it and it forces you into like a 25% kind of tip. I knocked it down to $1 a beer because that's what I usually do because I drink a lot. Those dollars add up. But now we got our tab paid through the phone and we're heading to the bus. That's annoying that it says Fleet on Fleek. Oh, so many funny things. So apparently my plane was scheduled for September. That didn't work. Canceled that. The only plane around $100 is Frontier. 15-hour layover in Denver. Another thing I gotta tell you, Phoenix is hot. The hotel that I got is only $60 or actually $70, I think, after I booked it through Expedia. So that should be okay, but not enough for 2 nights. Again, trying to save as much money as I can. And I'm walking because I'm smoking. And I'm also trying to get some exercise since I've been sitting in a van for like 2 weeks at a truck stop. Right through that fence, I see a tilt-a-whirl. Oh, I love a carnival. There, you can see admission tickets. You can see, oh, a Gravitron over there. Oh my gosh. Not to mention, Phoenix is hot. It's like 104 right now and I'm walking in, but it's a dry heat. So it's just a little hot. And in New Orleans, it's really hot because of the humidity, which I'm going back into. So this is nothing. I could work in this heat. So arrived at a place called Sure Stay Hotels, which is just a walk away from the airport, even though it's harder, but it has a free shuttle to the airport tomorrow. This is a view of the hotel. And I'm gonna be in a room like 245, which means upstairs, but I don't see any designations yet. I'm just happy to be in the hotel. No smoking in the room, free Wi-Fi, but I got my 6-pack of beer. No tall cans though. The room looks like that. And does have a pretty substantial TV. All direct TV footage, which is kind of interesting. You know, it's funny. This beer seems so tiny after drinking like 16 ounces and then 25 ounces. Oh my God. Just drinking a 12 ounce seems like an 8 ounce right now.